Hi, SusanClaire, GourmetQuilter here, popping in with the block of the month this year that we're doing, the Kimi's Kimonos. It's these wonderful kimonos that we're making. I've got some up here behind me, which are looking really good. We've done some circles, we've done some alternate rectangle blocks and things, so we're well underway. So this time we're making another kimono, and it's one of the ones with just a slight detail in the back section. So basically the kimono is all the same with the sleeves and the side parts. These are the ones that we started off making with the single fabric down the back, and this is one of the ones with one of the details in the back here. So it is simply 2 strips of fabric, so nothing too hard. So we have to assemble that part, and then we can assemble the kimono in exactly the same way as we did in part 1. So the only difference is getting the back prepared first. So I've gone ahead and got all my pieces started, and so I'll just show you those. So I've got all my pieces ready. I've been doing the little side flaps. I've turned them all, pressed them all. I've got my sleeves ready. I've got my obi ready. I've been using a tool to help me with all the turning, with pushing out all those nice little curved corners. And I've got a clapper here, which is particularly good if you're doing some of the bulky things, but it just helps set things nice and flat. I've done my 2 little inserts that go into the back piece there. So the back piece is now pretty much as we started with block 1. So everything's ready to assemble. I've got to put my sides on, I've got to put my sleeves on, and all of that instruction is in block 1, and this is the kimono that we're making. So that's it for part 6. Thank you. I will see you again with part 7. We're getting on with this quilt.